Know which eye is dominant. Make a small opening in your hand, both eyes open. Find a small object on the wall, bring it straight back to your face. You'll have a better shoot if both eyes open. If you're seeing double vision, place a transparent tape on your weak side. This will stop the double vision. There should be no movement between the belt and the holster to the body. Hands on the pistol. Release the pistol. Support hand on the pistol should be pointing in the direction off target. Align NAD, squeeze the trigger when you are ready to shoot.